Hey guys, in this video, let's talk a little bit about what I want you to do in this assignment for financial institutions and their services. So at this point, I think I've already posed the question in my class already to you about, okay, so I would bet that you probably have either a bank or credit union that you have a savings account at. And I think that's probably going to be true for most everyone. It's what your parents probably started or grandparents, but someone along the way has set up that for you. So you really haven't probably had a lot of say in like where you should go and why you're there, but it's just because that's sort of what you inherited. So we want to talk a little bit more about like what kind of things can be done and services that will be offered at a bank or credit union. A little bit later on, we will talk more about the differences between a bank or credit union. Essentially, at a glance, there's not that much difference between the two. Um, they will offer the same services. So what I'm asking you to do in this exercise is to open up my document here, and let me just open up this file here. I'm going to save a copy because again, I don't want to mess up the original one here for you. And so I'm then going to go back and I'm going to identify, look, go go to your website where you have your savings account right now. So again, it says what's your bank or credit union name. So I belong to the Susquehanna Valley Federal Credit Union. So I'm just going to take this address here, copy this, and go back into the assignment here and paste that in here for the website address. Control V. Again, I can go back. I can probably just copy this in here. Um, you can enter that in. Again, this is an actual graphic here, so I can't actually copy this. So anyway, the idea of the exercise is to sort of list out like what kind of things can you have and get at a credit union or bank. So everyone right now has a savings account. So that's going to be a given here. So another type of account that you could have would be a checking account. So again, what would you be doing? Why would you need a checking account? What are some details on there? So I'm going to ask you to provide 10 additional services and your list must include details. You just can't have like one word here. So I'm going to go back to the credit union here. I'm going to look at accounts. So I'm going to look at checking here. So again, here is basically find the account that's best for you. There's a standard, premium, and a rebate. So again, really, I mean, this is sort of the kind of stuff I'm looking for here. If you can copy this, Control C, and put this back here underneath checking. Again, I'm not sure exactly how it's going to look. Yeah, it didn't really turn out so well in this case. I don't know if you can do a screenshot. So if you're using Windows, a PC based, I use the snip tool all the time. I even have it down here in my taskbar. If you go to your Windows